Here's a pasta recipe that I'm sure will make Italians gasp in more ways than one. No meat, no Parmigiano Reggiano, no animal flavored stock, only a few tomatoes. Mamma mia, Heidi, what's in it? Well, check the list of ingredients in the description box below and let me show you how I do it. Here I have the veggies and the veggie chicken nuggets, which I'm cutting up into strips. So after it's all cut up, I'll set that aside. Put up a pot of water and bring to a rapid boil, which means that it just has to be bubbling. Add half a teaspoon of salt and the pennepasta. Give it a stir and allow to cook according to the package directions or al dente, which basically means not too firm or too soft. So this is how I make a quick tomato sauce. I cut down on the amount of tomatoes because it can be bad for acid reflux. Blend together the tomatoes, onion, garlic, and pimento pepper and set aside. Check the pasta. When it's ready, turn off the heat and strain in the sink. Rinse under tap water and give a shake to get rid of excess water. Yikes, I can hear the gasps again. Heat a pan and add the oil. When it's hot, pour in the blended tomato mixture and give it a good stir. Bring up to a slight simmer and season with the Italian dried seasonings and black pepper. Cover and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Remove the lid and add in the veggie chicken and vegetables and stir to coat everything with the sauce. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the sauce thickens up a bit. Do not let it dry out, so keep a watch on the heat. Remove the lid and stir. Add in the pennepasta and give a good stir. Now add the salt to taste, and here's a big moment that would make any authentic pasta maker gasp. Add in grated cheddar cheese. Sorry, not sorry, but I love cheddar cheese over Parmesan any day. Gently stir it around and you're all done. My presentation is just how I or we eat in the Caribbean at home. So I have my salad on my plate next to the pasta. Here I'm going pretty simple with shredded lettuce and sliced cucumbers, which are quite refreshing. Try it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you liked it, click on the thumbs up, and while you're there, hit share. Buon appetito and ciao for now!